Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Let us solve a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. The question says, three identical spheres, each of mass capital M, are placed at the corners of a right angle triangle with mutual perpendicular sides equal to 2 meters, as you see in the figure. Taking the point of intersection of the two mutually perpendicular sides as the origin, find the position vector of the center of mass. So I have got three identical spheres situated at these three positions as you see here, and we can take this intersection of these two perpendicular axes as the origin. So coordinate of this is 0 0. This has got coordinate 2 0 and this has got coordinate 0 2. Okay, now I have to find out the center of mass coordinate, okay, or the position vector. Position vector means this I have to write x I cap plus y j cap. Okay, so this x I can write, this is COM, and so this is x COM and y COM. I have to find out. So what are the formulas we know for x COM? I can write M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 divided by this M1 plus M2 plus M3, right? This is the formula, and with the same formula I can find out this YCOM also, right? So here what is M1, M2 and M3? All are M. Let me take this first. So what is the x coordinate? 0. Plus, let us take this one as M2. So this has got mass M anyway, but I'm taking this as M2. What is the x2? Coordinate is 2. What is the coordinate, x coordinate of this M3? That is 0 again, divided by 3m. So I get here x coordinate as 2 by 3. Okay, similarly if I write y coordinate for the same arrangement, you know, I'll see all of them have got the same mass. Now y coordinate for this first one is 0, which is situated at the origin, which is situated on the x-axis. For that also y coordinate is 0, and the one which is situated on the y-axis has got coordinate 2 and divided by 3m. So here also we get 2 by 3. Okay, so what will be the position vector then? Position vector will be RCOM is equal to 2 by 3. So this is common for both I cap plus j cap. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com